Hello, I hope you're having a good Tuesday, because that's when this video is. I know we talked yesterday that one or two of you might be not doing this till Wednesday. I'm okay with that. So this video will take care of Tuesday, today, and Wednesday. So you won't get a video tomorrow. So I'm gonna literally make this a 2-day assignment. So if you get it done today, you have tomorrow just to work on something else. Or you can do it tomorrow during your class at 7th period, if you happen. At the same time, if you do it today and you send it to me, I will make some suggestions and then email it back to you, because it is kind of a writing. I might make some suggestions. If it's just a couple grammar mistakes, I'll just fix them myself. It's a lot easier. But if you have something that makes totally no sense to me as you're writing it, I might come back and help you explain this part here. But anyway, seriously. I just put my hand in my pocket and look at this. Those are pants would produce $5. Okay, what's in the other pockets? I haven't worn these pants in a few years. I don't know. They're kind of stained, but I don't care. But anyways, let's go back to what I was talking about here. So to get going at this lesson, but anyways, today you're going to be writing to the states that you have, okay? And I'm going to help you through that process today in a video. I also have to help you find the address, and I will do that for you. All right, so you're going to write a letter. So I will attach this as an example, because I wrote an example one for you, so you can follow it. There are parts you can use my sentences, but then there are parts that I expect you can follow what I wrote, as long as you change it up a little bit, so you just don't copy it word for word. Otherwise I'm just writing your letters for you. But anyways, so this is pretty much self-explanatory. This is a part that I will help you find. This up here will, of course, be your name. You can put the school's address, or you can put, if you can see on the example, that's the center. So if you want it to come here, and then I would bring it over to you, that's fine. Otherwise, you can put Maple Valley's address on there. That'll be fine too. So, your goal is some states. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna write to them, to their State Department. So I would write to, this is North Dakota. I had a very hard time doing this because I had to write about North Dakota, but also advocate for the state I live in. So it's kind of weird. Next time I am not writing to the state of North Dakota. So I would write to Michelle, because that's who I would look up. Plus I've written to her before about stuff. So right here, first paragraph kind of just introduces myself and the class that I'm in. Now this is the part that can get kind of tricky here. I'm gonna do some magic here, pull this a little. Oh, why did I lose connection here? Let's get this back going here. Oofda. Maybe that was the problem. There we go. Okay. And so right here I talk about this is something that you can change up a word or two in there if you wanted to. All right, so this step right here. So the first step is researching a state. So for example, you research a state. Some of you have South Dakota, some of you have California, some of you have Washington. Okay. I found it interesting that mine says 90% of North Dakota land is used in production. So that's where you're gonna put remember those 10 facts I had you find? You're gonna put in one of them in there, okay? So you're technically gonna need 3 facts. So the 3 facts from my list, and my list is right over here. So this is my list that I created from North Dakota. So I pulled 3 facts that I found interesting off there, and I included it in my letter. So, for example, of course, 90% of North Dakota land is used in production agriculture. Your state is ranked #1 in spring wheat, edible peas, beans, honey, flax, blah, blah. What I really found exciting is that you host the world's largest French fry feed in Grand Forks. I really love French fries. So those are the 3 facts that I found when I was researching the state that I chose. So the state that you chose, that list I had you create, pick out 3, okay? And put them in here. All right. Then what I did here is, gotta scroll down here. Then I wanted to share with you some interesting facts about my state. And I put North Dakota. Okay, we have 26,000 farms. We grow wheat in all 52 counties. We have the most wildlife refuges with 63. We have over 40 farmers market, and we produce the most honey in any other state. So where will you find this information? This is what I've just found when I Googled facts about North Dakota agriculture. So that's where I found that one. Okay, and then I ended a couple last one. As you can see, both of our state's agriculture is very important to the residents of the state. I was wondering if you could share or send with me some literature on your state's agriculture to help create a display to share with other students at our school at your convenience. This paragraph, if you wanted to, can be copied word for word. Okay, so can this one. So I want to thank you for your time. I hope to hear from you at your convenience. Please send information to the above address. So that means they're going to send it to this address. Okay. And please send care of William Fritz R.A. I do that because our secretary will open our mail if our names aren't on it. So it kind of makes me annoyed because we'll get a box and I've ordered something from my classroom and she will have opened it up. God, so sometimes this way she won't open it if it says the care of William Fritz. So, but anyways, that is today's lesson. So remember, this will be attached and so forth. So remember, in this paragraph here, the last 3 or 4 sentences are the 3 of the facts that you found. And then these are just some stuff about North Dakota agriculture that you can find. So type that up and then email that to me. Then I will come back with you if there needs to be some improvements or if we need to make any corrections. So other than that, have a good Tuesday.